Welcome back to Green Tea Garden. Cucumbers are growing well. I'm harvesting every 2 to 3 days. I harvest between 6 to 8 cucumbers. It all depends. Sometimes I get 10, sometimes I get 4. But right now, everything is growing beautiful. I have 20 plants growing on a string trellis, and it's just literally in a corner of my greenhouse, and I'm saving tons of space. So the one thing that I use extra to boost it is used coffee ground. Used coffee ground is rich in nitrogen, potassium, magnesium, which is really healthy and a big boost to your cucumber plants. So I apply used coffee ground at least 2 to 3 times a month. I don't put a lot, I just sprinkle it lightly all over. And the good thing about using used coffee ground is not just a fertilizer to boost your plant. If you have ants and some little bugs, it'll get rid of a lot of bugs. A lot of bugs don't like used coffee ground scent, or much less the taste. So as you can see them, they're ready to harvest right now. I'm gonna be harvesting them. Like you see, I have some ants there too. You just sprinkle it like this. If you're gonna get rid of bugs with it, you just leave it a day or two before water, and you could do that. If you don't need it and you would just need the fertilizer, you could water lightly right after. So you could see how I sprinkle it right there. And look, we got some ants close by. Let's sprinkle some. See, ants start running. See that? They don't like it. Another thing you want to do too, you want to make sure you keep harvesting on time. The more you harvest, the more you get. So just a quick video to show you guys what I do extra to boost my garden up. Coffee ground is a big plus. Just don't apply too much, and give it at least a week and a half between to 2 weeks before you add more of coffee ground. Keep up with your fertilizer and your water. I water right now every 2 days because it's in the 80s. So every 2 days I'm been watering, but I do not let 3 days pass right now when it comes to cucumber plant and watering right now. I keep up with the watering. I'm trying to stick with the evening schedule right now because the morning is not good. You want to make sure you stick with the evening schedule or a morning schedule. And cucumber plant, always grow them vertically. Give them a nice pruning at the bottom. Remove some of the suckers. I remove about 3 feet of the suckers, so the plant will grow to about 6-7 feet. So whatever, if I leave like 4 feet of suckers, that will produce a lot more cucumbers. And you know, especially we have a short garden season here, you do want to prune. If you have a long garden season, you don't have to remove all the suckers. It just takes a longer time to get more harvest. So as you can see, every couple days, 2-3 days, I get harvest right now, and I'm really grateful and appreciate it. Coffee ground you could use in multiple plants. It's just not cucumbers. You could use it. I sprinkle sometimes with my watermelon plant. I sprinkle on my zucchini, squash. All my plants in the garden, sometimes I walk around and sprinkle. Depends how much I have. Alright, so thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Is 100% free if you're new, and we got more videos coming up. Thank you so much.